Good morning. Today I am going to take a lesson in intermediate second year chemistry unit 2 solutions. In our everyday life we come across so many types of solutions. Example, glucose solution, salt solution. First we see the definition of solution. Solution, it is a homogeneous mixture of two or more than two components. In this we have two words. One is homogeneous, second one is component. First we explain the component with the help of binary solution. Binary solution is a two component solution. It means it consists only two substances. 10% W by W glucose. In this we have two components. One component is glucose and the other component is water. I write 10% W by W, weight by weight. 10% means 10 grams in 100 ml of solution. So composition is 10 grams of glucose and remaining 90 grams of water. These two will make 100 grams of glucose water solution. In binary solutions, the component or substance which is less in quantity is termed as solute. See here, when compared to 90 grams, 10 grams is less in quantity, i.e. that is glucose. Glucose is solute and water is termed as solvent. It is high in quantity. Okay. In binary solution, solution is equals to solute plus solvent. The next word, homogeneous. Homogeneous mixture, a mixture in which composition and properties are uniform throughout the solution. Again I am taking this 10% weight by weight glucose as example to explain this, and I took a beaker. In this I am adding 90 grams of water, 90 grams of water. To this I am adding 10 grams of glucose, 10 grams of glucose. If I mix it well, I will get homogeneous mixture. In first case, I am able to see glucose as separate entity and water as separate entity. In second beaker, I am unable to see glucose as separate entity and water as separate entity. It formed homogeneous uniform mixture. In this, composition and properties are uniform. I divided this 100 grams of solution, 100 grams of solution into two halves, that is 50 grams here in this beaker and 50 grams in this beaker. if we check the composition, here it is 10% glucose and 90% water. If we check the composition in the second beaker also, 10% glucose and 90% water. And if we check the boiling points of these two, this will be greater than 100 degrees centigrade, because water boiling temperature is 100 degrees centigrade. As we added glucose, it is a non-volatile solute, so the boiling temperature of this solution increases. It will be greater than 100. The first beaker and the second beaker have same boiling points, so properties are same and composition also same. This is called as homogeneous mixture. And binary solutions based on physical state of solution, these binary solutions are mainly divided into three types. Those are gaseous solutions, liquid solutions, solid solutions. Again, based on physical state of solvent and solute, these binary solutions are again divided into, solvent is in gas state, solute may be gas or liquid or solid, and the physical state of these solutions are gas state. In second, liquid solution, the solvent is in liquid state and the solute may be gas or liquid or solid, and the physical state of the solution is liquid. And in third case, solid solutions, the solvent is solid and the solute may be gas or liquid or solid. In first case we get 3 solutions, in second case 3 solutions, in third case also 3 solutions. Total we have 9. We have 9 types of binary solutions. Next topic, expressing concentration of solution. Composition of solution can be described by expressing its concentration. I am taking 10% W by W concentrated glucose solution. Here the concentration is 10% W by W. This concentration describes the composition of a glucose solution. In this we have two components. One is glucose, second one is water. Here I write 10%, that means 10 grams of glucose is present and 90 grams of water is present, total 100 grams of solution. Here this 10%, that is we express the concentration as 10% W by W. This describes the composition of this glucose solution. The composition of glucose solution is 10 grams of glucose and 90 grams of water. This concentration can be expressed, one qualitative and the second one quantitative. See here, when compared to these two lines, the second one is taller than first. The second one is taller than first one. So it says its quality. So which is taller? The second one is taller. If I write this, it has 15 centimeter height and it has 10 centimeter height. This is quantitative. Here I am mentioning the quantity. Here in qualitative we are comparing, relatively comparing which is taller and which is shorter. In the same way, in our solution, in binary solutions, we have qualitatively two types of solutions. One is dilute solution, other one is concentrated solution. In dilute solutions, the amount of solute present in solution is very less. I am again taking a glucose solution. If the amount of glucose is very less, these solutions are dilute solution, and the amount of water is more. And in concentrated, it is the amount of this glucose or the solute the solute is not so less when compared to the first one. It's somewhat more. See example, if I taken here 1 gram of glucose solution and this 99 grams of water, here it may be 10 grams of glucose solution and 90 grams of water. If we compare these two, in first case glucose is only 1 gram, that is very less, so it is a dilute solution. When compared to the above one, in the below solution 10 grams of glucose is there. When compared to the above one, it is concentrated solution. In next class I will discuss qualitative concentration expression.